Good morning. Welcome back. As you probably know, my name is Tara Griffith. This is Module 7, the Human Resource Frame. So we're supposed to be talking about a video that we watched, and we're also supposed to be talking about what it would look like if we were the principal of a school and how kind of everybody's interconnected. So I'll hit those two things in just a couple seconds. So first off, starting with the Human Resource Frame. The human resource frame, first of all, it focuses on a family. Family units, I like in the video, he said that sometimes you get along, sometimes you don't get along. You get along better with some people, you don't get along better with some people, but we do it for the humans, and so we try to align the organization and human needs, and so we bring them together and we try to do what's best for the humans as well as the organization, so hopefully you're working hand in hand. And the leader to me is, well, the leader in the video, he said, is a servant or a catalyst. So that means servant leadership. So the principal is serving his constituents or his students, which kind of brings me to what I envision my school would look like as a principal, which is going to look a little different than maybe some of yours, but I put a lot of thought into this, and this is what I came up with. As you can see in this video, or in the screen, the student is the most important. They're the center of the concept, and everybody's working together for them. And that's kind of how I see that. The reason the principal is in red is because they're the ones that oversee all of this and hopefully make the students successful. And so yes, they have an important job, the principal, but as they said in the human resource framework, they're a servant. They are serving all these other people, but the end goal is to serve the student. So teachers need to remember that they're there for the student. Paraprofessionals are there for the student. The parents are there for the students. And they all work together and create, hopefully, a whole student. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a good semester with us. See you next time, and maybe some other classes.